Hello my friend, I'm Chloe and welcome to my channel. My work is dedicated to supporting service providers like you by sharing tools, templates and tutorials, all designed to help us manage and grow our business with a little more ease. I do it because I believe everyone has a right to the education and resources needed to execute their mission. In this season, we're going to focus on Notion, specifically how we can use Notion to develop a solid business strategy, systemize our business, and set ourselves up for success.
I love that. Sign me up.
So if that's something that you're into, be sure to subscribe, then head on over to chloeforbeskk.com/freebies, where I have a free Notion starter kit waiting for you. This includes over 20 templates. We've got everything from goal setting to your projects and action tasks, brand guidelines, sales proposals, your content planning, custom client portals, and so much more. No one can grow their business alone, and they certainly shouldn't have to. This is a chance for us to learn and grow together. I'm so glad you're here.